for this batch of soap, this is going to be a kind of a 3D geometric illusion soap, and I haven't done one of these before, and I've been wanting to. I'm actually going to be doing 2 different attempts for this. This is for the Soap Challenge Club, and this is probably the hardest one I think that I've done, or I'm going to be doing. Because I'm in the top category, there are extra stipulations, and the problem is part of it has to be soap dough, but the final part has to be poured. And trying to figure out how to make the design work where some element of it is poured. For this particular one, I had some different drawings from some different pictures that I saw, and I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one here, hopefully if everything comes out right. So what I'm gonna do first is, I'm gonna show you this one. This is lily pad confetti. This one I did in the fall, last fall, and it's a bunch of really, really tiny, fine layers. And I'm going to do that. So each one of these is, what is it, it's half a centimeter thick. And I'm going to do, each of these layers is half a centimeter thick. So I'm going to pour alternating black and white into this one. And then I'm going to pour some just plain black into this one to cut later. Once this is set up, I'm going to cut out these sections. There, those 4 sections, probably leave the middle open, and then there'll be a little bit left over. I may end up offsetting and making this next little section. I'm not sure, because I have to figure out how to glue everything together somehow to still be able to pour it, or pour the final element. And then the black I'm going to cut up so I can have all of these black sections, and I will put those together, glue them on with water to the main frame part. And then I have this vertical mold that I have it wrapped in saran wrap and taped on, but I will place it in there, hopefully. And then I will pour the white. I'm hoping to get the white in the center and then those outside ones as the white. That's my goal. I don't know what's gonna happen with it. I'm hoping it'll work. I just need to have 3 awesome looking bars. So I'm going to do this, I'm just gonna do this 7 layers deep, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers deep, and then I'll do this one a few layers deep, because I'll cut it in half. So as long as I get, a good amount of bars, that'd be great. Now, I am not going to record all of this part, because if you want to go see me pour a whole bunch of layers, you can go back to lily pad confetti soap, because it's going to be boring and it's going to take me a good chunk of the day, because I have to wait between every single layer before I pour the next one. So probably I'll come back when I unmold it tomorrow and then cut those sections out. And then I don't know if I'm going to record forming. I might do a little bit of it, but it's going to take me a good chunk of time to do this and just a few bars on it. So I'll come back in and out with different parts of the process, but that is my plan. Now, if you look at it without the grid on there, it does give you some more depth in there too. I had some other drawings that I tried doing, but this one with the materials that I have, it's a whole lot easier to draw things, and it's like, okay, I'm gonna make this out of soap and cut the layers and make sure everything does it, because it looks different on there, but those are teeny tiny layers, and trying to get everything straight and even, it's not very easy. So anyway, I'll come back. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm gonna use black and white. The scent I'm going to be using is eucalyptus and cotton from Brambleberry. There is some mild acceleration in this, which is fine, and I do want a little bit of that to help speed up this process, and it does not discolor. It smells really good. So that is what I'm going to be using, and then just probably a white mica and then a black mica to help really, especially the white, because sometimes I don't use white, I just use my regular batter, but I really want a sharp, crisp white in there. Okay,